Nyor, kita doon, Nyor.
Okay. Dili mo doon sa poster na yun.
Sige.
Video na lang po.
And start.
Sige, Nyor.
Sa'yo mga naisulti.
May buntag. Cut. Seryoso na. Wait, no. Napay ka. You have to get in character.
Jens nga
Hi
English.
everyone, this is Budoy and Randy from Junior Kilan. We would like to invite you, good people, to come on the 24th of October here at Cafe Racer for the first beer and roast
Festival.
It's gonna be beer and a lot of roasting. We have Razorback, it's the 25th anniversary. Willa Baloo, Franco, Power Schools, and Junior Kilan.
Lingaw din.
Lingaw. Please come. Ticket is 200, pretty cheap, good deal. It's gonna be awesome. Mwah! Rock and roll.
O sa betul dili Budoy. Ni Binay.
Basta makita mo kawatan.